Gather your materials and follow along to make this simple costume. The materials that you need are probably already on hand. You will need cardboard, paint, a foam brush, paintbrushes, your hot glue gun, and a little twine. Paint the icing on the center of the Pop-Tart. When the icing dries, add highlights with another color of paint. Add colorful sprinkles by painting tube shapes for a more realistic look. Once the paint is dry, add some twine to the back for a strap. Do not make it too tight because you will want it to be able to slide off easily. If making this for a small child, you may want to use 2 pieces of cardboard so that the twine can be attached at the shoulders instead. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.